Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where day 14 of the Onsen Egg Hunt is in Heartopia, like where the egg is and where the bubble is as well. You're just going to go up here to the ice skating rink, turn left, and you'll see the egg behind like Massimo's like stall, well, on top of it. Make sure you press on it and also take a picture or else the bubble won't show. So let's take a picture like this. Ooh, 2 more days, guys. 2 more days. Okay. For the bubble, we are going to take the bus to Flower Fields, and I'll see you when I get there. The bubble will be located on this bench here, and the position of the bubble is here on the map. Just gonna pop it, and there we go. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!